Hi, everybody, and thanks for joining Martha and me. We're going to do something a little different today. Going to do a not necessarily portrait, but we're going to uh, paint a face. This is my one of my favorite models of all time, Mihai. This goes. I'm using the nostril area here to see where the edge of the mouth comes out a little bit farther there, and then rounds for her mouth there. Shadow a little thinner. And then there's a nice shadow. I see that I need to drop her chin down just a bit more. Just a bit more. Strengthen that edge of the brow. This edge goes that way. Forehead might be a little higher. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is wet down the page. And that's going to smudge the drawing a little bit. That's okay. I'm working the water into the fiber of the paper. I want it to be equally wet. Manganese blue, I'm going to touch just a touch of fuchsia into it to make a violet there. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the demo. Obviously, in a direct approach, we're using the shadow pattern. We started off with the shadow pattern. The shadows give you the form. And so we're going right into middle values right away. And so that builds up the form and tells the structure of the face. All right. I hope you enjoyed the demo, and we'll see you again soon.